Hey JVs, Chad Nicely here. Welcome to the inside of CompeteUp. Now, I'm going to show you exactly what this amazing little app does, but it's just stupid simple, probably the easiest contest app you've ever seen, and very, very effective. So I'm over here on the dashboard. I want you to pay attention to this contest right here, okay? And if we come over here, you can see 112,000 points, 24,000 players, 13,000 referrals, okay? So let's take a look at what this looks like on the front end real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and click visit. And there you go. This is what the front end looks like. So we have this beautiful custom background. We have a timer up at the top here. We have this headline screaming at you to unlock the rewards for the timer hit 0. And there's $12,000 in prizes and rewards, right? The grand prize wins the mastermind, okay? So there's this video here that Perry and I did for this promotion. And then they can come down here and then go ahead and enter their email to enter this contest. But first, I want to show you something that's really cool, because you see, if they come over here and click on prizes, well, check this out. Here are the prizes that are available, right? So they can find out right away, what prizes are available. But in addition to that, okay, we also have this section down here called rewards. And so these are rewards that they're able to unlock instantly. So when they unlock this badge, they're going to receive that reward and so on, right? So they can very easily see all the rewards that are waiting here, okay? So everybody wins, and then there's this big overall contest. And if I come down the bottom, if I click on the leaderboard, you can see that there's even a leaderboard, right? So all of this is included right here in the front end. A pretty amazing piece of software, nothing real complicated. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna come over here and go ahead and register. So there we go. Now I'm on the inside, okay? So everything is the same at the top. Here's our headline. I can go ahead and put a different video here if I want to. And now right away, this is the contest URL. This is my special link. I can go out there and share that with other people. Now, since this is a brand new account, I haven't unlocked my badges yet. They will go right here. Okay, so here's how this works. They go out there and they share this URL and they start to earn points, okay? But if I come down here, you can see that just today there are 3 goals that I need to complete. So the first one is I can go ahead and receive 5 entries once I go ahead and share, every time I share my link, okay? If I come over here, this is to sign up for a class that we have going on, right? So I can come over here and go ahead and sign up for the webinar. I can go ahead and click sign up now. I can come over here and I can join the Facebook fan page or the Facebook group, right? I can come over here and this is just some other page that we have going on, right? So you're able to set all of these things up right here inside the software. Pretty incredible, right? And they can see the rewards, the leaderboard, and the prizes. Look how easy this is. It's all inclusive, like just amazing technology, and this is what we had to build for our business. Now, the cool thing is, how easy is it to set up? Well, once I've created a campaign, I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through this one, okay? So if I go ahead and click on these dots here, you can see, I can go ahead and edit the campaign. I can preview the campaign. I can put in autoresponders, webinars. This is a Facebook share setting. This, I can go ahead and clone my campaign, retargeting codes. I can generate a script if I want to do embeds. This one's really cool. This is something I use because I do a lot of webinars, but at the click of a mouse, I got this page where somebody can go ahead and put in their name and email that they're registered for. And then what they could do is they can go ahead and put in their friend's name and their friend's email, okay? So for every person they refer, they're given an entry in the contest, right? So it's pretty incredible, pretty easy, okay? Okay, so if I come over here, here's my entries, and then here is the leaderboard update, and then I can go ahead and share this link. Pretty self-explanatory. I don't want to waste your time, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and click into the edit, right? So inside the campaign, very easy. There's 4 simple steps, like your subscriber's gonna get this, okay? So here's a preview of what we're building over here. Here is the contest name. Now, we can choose what type of contest we want. Do we just want to have a prize contest, or do we want to have instant rewards, or do we want to have it where there's a big overall prize like you saw at the beginning of this video and they're unlocking rewards? And that's what we recommend that you do, right? So you choose the contest type, then you come over here to duration. So you say, okay, the contest starts, the contest ends, you choose your time zone, good. Now we come over here to design. Check out how easy this is, right? They go ahead and type in their headline, right? They type in their description, their contest description. That's what you're seeing down here, okay? And then this is where they can go ahead and decide, okay, I want to have a video on the logged in page, and then we can even do something different on the sign up page, right? I can go ahead and put a video on the sign up page, okay? Here's the background image, background size, background color, okay? I think you get that, all right? And then we come over here to our policies. If you want to have terms and conditions, rules and regulations, all that stuff, there it is, pretty simple. That takes care of step number 1. Step number 2, the contest setup. Look how easy this is. Like, I love the fact that we have libraries. All of our software, we always build libraries, right? So what this is this is where you're gonna go and pull in your grand prizes, okay? And you can do it by entries, or you can do it by the most points, all right? So right now it's by entries, okay? So all we're gonna do is come over here and go ahead and choose a reward. These are all the rewards that I have inside. And I'll show you where that is here in a minute, right? So I just pull them in, reward number 1, number 2, number 3. So that means that you can go ahead and set up these contests on the fly. You got your rewards library up here and you're just going boom, boom, boom. You're just pulling it in, right? If I come over here to my settings, this is the ribbon text that's on the very top of the page that shows the rewards, okay? So that takes care of step number 2. Now, step number 3, it's gonna work the same exact way, but these are the instant rewards. So you're gonna decide, okay, this is how many points I need to have. This is the badge that I'm gonna go ahead and load, okay? So this is how many points are required. This is the name of the badge. This is the order of the badge. And then when they receive the badge, they're going to receive the reward. So again, the rewards come right out of your library. Okay, so I have 4 separate badges. I have the points that are required, and I'm just gonna go ahead and click save, and now we're over here on step number 4. And step number 4 is where you're gonna go and set up your actual entries, right? So if I wanna go ahead and ask a question to receive points, I can just go ahead and open this up here, and I can go ahead and choose my type, or if I want to do like a visit on Facebook, I can come over here and there we go. We have now added this. I can put in my title, my description, my button text, my fan page URL. It's pretty freaking easy the way this works, right? So this right here is what is on the bottom of this section down here. So you can go ahead and just line up these tabs here, right? All kinds of cool stuff. It works so very well. You get the customer gets the leads in, the leads hit the autoresponder. It's perfect, right? Now, if I come over here, not only do we have the reward sections, let me show you how this works. Here's all the rewards. And let me go ahead and edit a reward here for you, and I'll kind of show you. Here's the name of the reward, the description, the instructions, the value of the reward, right? And then what you can do is you can go ahead and use a default image. Okay, so we have default images for the rewards, or you can come over here and you can go ahead and load a custom image, right? Okay, so it's completely up to you what you want to do. Now, if I were to come over here and just go ahead and show you and say add new reward, there's 3 separate rewards types, right? So you can go ahead and do a set of instructions. You can have it to where they just have an external URL that they go to, or yes, we are even integrated with our membership platform, right? So it's like bada bing, bada boom, click, click, click. It's automatic connection. They automatically get delivery. Incredible tool, right? I can come over here. I can look at my statistics, right? So if I pull this up, you can see, okay, this is what happened. This is how many subscribed users, how many unique visitors, right? Very simple tool. I can come over here and get my subscribers. Okay, and then we even have an agency version for this software, right? So there you go. It is an absolute incredible piece of software. I just want to shoot that video for you very quickly, just so you get an idea. It really is 4 simple steps, but look how beautiful this looks, right? This is incredible. And like I said, you saw the response. We got just tremendous results with this, you know, and it's simple, stupid to set up because you have all your rewards set up and everything else. So hopefully you're excited to jump aboard CompeteUp. It's an awesome piece of software. Your subscribers are going to love it. Please let us know what we can do to help you rock out this launch, because we are here to help you. Again, this is Chad Nicely. Thank you so much on behalf of my incredible partners, and we look forward to rocking this out with you.